Hey everybody, I'm working on the 2021 Toyota Landcruiser 200 series. Working on the ARB Summit bumper, getting it all finally permanently mounted up. Had to adjust it side to side and up and down and get the correct angle here. So I've got that about done. I'll show you guys kind of what's involved with adjusting this. There's a lot to these ARB bumpers. There's a lot happening underneath here. So we've got mounts. There's two frame mounts. One here, one over here. And this is a crumple zone for if you ever get in an accident, that's made to buckle. So there's a mounting bolt here, and then three here. And then inside the frame, there's I can see it on this side better. From ARB, they use this pocket in the frame that goes through the frame there. Put a captive nut inside there, and then there's a stud that goes through the frame up to here, where that wrench is, and that nut, and there's a kind of a backup plate there to reinforce the end of the frame. And then the toe points, the bolts for those go through the bumper mounting bracket also. And then the bumper mounts up here also with those three bolts. And then there are two stake holes, one there and one up there on both sides to stake it so that it can't tilt or twist, won't slide on those other bolts because they're slotted holes. So I still have to drill these holes. So there's that. And then this reinforcement brace here, I have to tighten all that up still. And there are some shields that go on here on both sides. And once you install those, then you have to trim the inner fender to match up to that. Have some wiring to do still. I can't remember, it's been a long time now since I started this, but I think I have to lengthen the wires for the parking sensors, and then I have to wire in the marker light turn signals still. So there's some adapting into the factory wiring for that. Then I have aftermarket fog lights that go in here. I'm not sure what's involved with that yet, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. The winch is all installed. I still have to install the winch rope and wire that into the batteries. And then these are ARB heavy duty toe points. And while we're down here, I'll show you the KDSS relocation. So those are KDSS relocation brackets here that move the sway bar forward. And to do that, they use these skid plates and move the link from inside the lower control arm forward in between this skid plate and the lower control arm, and then a spacer goes down in here. And let me tell you what, that is not fun to put together. So the KDSS Landcruiser has this hydraulic cylinder over here. That's the arm, and the big clearance issues are normally right here. You can also turn this around to get a little more room, but I've got plenty of clearance now with that kit. Had to cut the edge of the ARB bracket off here, so I gotta clean up these edges and then paint this up right there, or I had to cut that to clearance it. And then these are Bud built skid plates, stainless steel, powder coated black. There's another front plate that goes right here that angles up, so I have to still install that. And then there is a splash shield that mounts on here on the ARB bumper that goes down to here. So I still have to put that on. I've got a lot of bolts to still tighten up. All these. These have to be Loctited still, so I gotta take those out, Loctite them. These have to be tightened. These have to be tightened. These have to be tightened. And then drill and stake up there. So I've got my work cut out for me still. But it's a lot closer than it was. Thanks everybody. Bye.